what if we don't transform? What happens? So imagine, let's say your body is full of wounds. Wounds, you know? Everyone are understanding English, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So wounds are there. Let's say we have a wound somewhere. Yeah. So if we have a wound, let's say someone touches the wound. What happens?
Pain.
Pain comes. Good. So imagine your body is fully infected by wounds and it hurts when others touch them. So now how do we become close to others? You are full of wounds, right? So if someone touches here, you will feel pain. Someone touches here, you will feel pain. Now whenever you come closer to others, what you do? You put a protection mask. Right? And then you come slowly. You come slowly. With fear. I don't know what is going to push now. Understand? Making sense? So let's say if someone accidentally touches you. And it's very painful. You don't want anyone to touch you.
But still somebody.
Let's say somebody touches you. What happens? You feel pain. Right? And pain becomes anger. How come you touch me? No, I will touch you. You understand? Now I will push your button. Right? So I will press it hard now. I will make you feel how the pain is. Right? How dare you touch my wound? Understand? Making sense? So at the end of the day, you cannot touch others because it hurts them. You know you are full of wounds. I used to feel very intimidated to go and talk to others. Feel very much afraid because I experienced a lot of wounds inside me, and I'm very much afraid because people will touch those wounds and I feel become again more depressed, again more painful, and also see that maybe they are also having their wounds, and if I go close to them, they will become painful, right? So better not to interact. Better not to be with society. Right? Better close all my doors. This I have done actually. And feel that I feel like if I come close, they will become hurt. Whichever human being I become very close, at the end of the day, they will become hurt. That used to happen. Since my childhood, whomever I touch, okay, until some time it's okay. Until I respect them, what they are projecting, that's okay. But slowly, if we come closer, we see the truth. At the moment we enter the truth, that's it. Relationship broke. Understand? The relationship got broken. And that's how it happened. And no one also touches you because they make an assumption that they will hurt you. Making sense? So we have these wounds within us. We have all these things within us in the body. And you cannot touch others because others are also wounded. And it will result in pain. And when they touch you, it will result in pain. So this is what you live in, the continuous fear of being hurt. There is always a fear deep inside. You won't let others in, and you won't go to others. Understand? Now you can relate if you are married. You can relate this between your spouse relationship. And if you are, then see what is happening inside. Why we are not getting close? Why we are not experiencing love? Right? Deep inside we are Satchitananda Swarupa. Right? Deep inside we are that bliss. We are that ananda. We are that love. We are that peace. We are that joy. But where is that? The moment we become closer, only pain and pain and pain. Right? Making sense? Yeah. Now this is the fear of being hurt and feeling painful. And again there is a lot of conflict, drama. That continues. So are we becoming aware of what is there? No, since relating to all these things. Is it making sense for everyone? Yes. This, if we don't transform. If we transform, we can experience love. That's the whole agenda of this workshop. Right? Right or wrong? Yes. So if we know how to transform our wounds, whatever, if I know when I'm feeling painful, when I'm feeling angry, when I'm feeling hurt, how to deal with it. If I know that, if I master that, now I have a chance to experience love. Right? Fine? With everyone? Yes, sir. Is it okay, sir? Yeah. So similarly, this is an analogy and your emotional body. So earlier what we said is like skin. But ideally what is happening is there is this emotional body. You have an emotional body within you. And it is full of these wounds. So basically our skin is beautiful. We have very beautiful skin. Right? But our emotional body is full of wounds. There are like anger, hatred, sadness, envy, hypocrisy, fear. Right? Our emotional body is full of these things. And these things are not accepted by anyone, even by the law. Right? So we have to deal with it. And whenever you relate to others, it is so painful because your emotional body is full of these things. You cannot relate to anyone now. And whomever you relate to, you experience anger, jealousy, sadness inside you and from outside. You keep repeating this. Right? Is it helping? Yeah. So you keep repeating this anger, jealousy, sadness, fear, hurt, these cycles because inside you are wounded. Inside your emotional body is wounded. When others trigger you, others touch you, the same pain triggers. The same pain continues. It keeps on going. The cycle is endless. It's painful and fearful to have an emotional interaction. Normally when we interact in social circles, are we fully present most of the times? Fully no, right? We put on a mask, we act, we know how to not to be closer, right? All those things we know and we have mastered it because it's painful inside. There is also lots of pain inside and they don't want to show their true colors. We don't want to show our true colors, right? There's a lot of game happening, right? But what happens? Always there is an internal pull for us. So we cannot live like this forever. Internally we are always longing for an intimate relationship, for a very emotional bonding, understanding. Everyone wanted it, right? मेरे को बचपन से लगता था, I need someone who can understand me. I know how can I get it? I feel like that, I feel like everyone had felt at some point of time, right? And some people had, okay, ये तो नहीं होने वाला है. ये दुनिया में कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला है. प्यार चीज. I used to listen to one song, Rishi Kapoor's song. ये प्यार तो झूठा है, प्रेयसी झूठा है. कुछ तो song था. मतलब it was very दिल खेल है दिलदार का. Who knows that song? यार भी झूठा. That has been my reality. Every time I feel, Rishi Kapoor is right. Rishi Kapoor is right. ये सब झूठा है. ये सब गेम खेलता है सब लोग. सब लोग गेम खेलता है मेरा दिल के साथ.
बातों में इनके ना आना.
बातों में इनके आना.
इनके ना आना.
Yeah. I used to play that song,
Practicing same thing.
drink,
Practicing same thing.
drink beer, and you know, that's it. That's what the whole
You
thing
can
was.
you can enjoy that song. Just play it on a music system and it's really well done.
That has been
Nice beats
I have been doing that almost for 2-3 years. I play all these sad songs. You know. मेरा दिल तो टूट गया. And you know, I used to deal with this. Like you know, I used to feel okay. This guy understands me. This guy understands my pain, and I used to live with that. You know, have drinking, daily drinking, cigarette smoking. You know, I want to destroy. Fana, you know Fana? Have seen that film Fana?
Yes.
I want to get destroyed now. So I have seen to the depth of the core. प्यार का जो अंतिम जो होता है ना, उधर only distraction is there. Now there is only Lord Shiva. Distraction is there, right? Fana. We have to become Fana. That's it. You know, I have seen the end of the girl, end of the love, and the end of the love is only distraction. Making sense? Like anyone are able to relate to my story?
Yes.
Yeah, nice.
Almost everybody.
Yeah, that's nice.
I know.
Yeah. That's nice. You know, I got hopeless. You know, I cannot experience love in my life. So that's the state I went through. And you know, whichever Bollywood film I see the same experience. Kabir Singh. Kabir Singh, I see he got destroyed completely. Now I relate to him. This guy is like me. But somehow at the end they got together. That's something different. But this is not happening in our lives. It's a film director के हाथ में है. Right? हमारे जीवन में तो ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है. The blocks are very huge. Right?
Yeah.
And that's what I mean to say is at the end of the day we all wanting this emotional connection. We all wanted to be really intimate and close and experience the true love or you know longingness. There is a longingness. So like see we can deny it, but you know most of the time in this workshop let us accept it. Whatever is inside, let us decide whether to have it is right or wrong. That is something else. But to have it, we have it. बोल के हम recognize करें. Right? Especially for men here, you know. Men, the problem is they are already broken.
Many times.
Many times. And they live with this, like, you know, it's naive. And we know as a men, we know how to be strong, how to have this thing, you know, how to say that we don't need love. Right? So we practiced it again, we mastered that. Because that's how our coaching was.
How to act as a strong person.
Yeah, and that's what to be man. Man, you cannot cry. Man, you cannot feel. Right? And then we practice it, we mastered it. And this workshop, I'm really happy a lot of men has come. And I'm really happy that you people are trying to learn love and experience the heart. Experience the heart center. This whole workshop is about heart center. So we'll also talk a lot about science and a lot of science stuff because I'm a man and I have a lot of analysis, instincts. So we'll understand the science, but mostly we'll deal with the heart. Okay?